Hi everybody, this is Kylie with Charles Rottenberg Realty, again from Tampa Bay area. And today, sorry, I just got back from a bicycle ride. The kids are with Grandma bowling, so I'm going to get this done and out of the way. I'm going to talk today about first-time homebuyers, their to-do list, checklist. I'm kind of going to just run through it all, and then the details of actually what you would do if you went under contract with the property that you found and loved. That would be a different video because there are more details involved in those steps and parts of the transaction. So first and foremost, you're going to save. Number one, you're going to save money. You need a little bit of money at least if you're going to be doing the down payment assistance plans. You'll need less, but you want to save some money to put down on a house. So it's good to save money. We're going to save money. We're going to need money for a down payment. We're going to need money for closing costs. And then the insurance and taxes, they escrow in some of that at the when you get your financing. So you're going to need money for that. And then you also want to make sure that when you have the plan to buy a house, that you are also aware of your credit score, because the higher the credit score, the lower the interest rate is going to be from a lender. So we want to try and stay current with our bills. We want to not make any huge purchases right away. And I say that a lot because some people do it and they don't realize that it impacts our interest rate. So save the cars and the boats and the credit card purchases for after you close on the house. Don't decorate the house before you own it on a credit card. And don't cancel credit cards, actually, because that's not good for our credit score either. Then the next thing you're going to do, which is a very important step, would be to get pre-approved. That shows sellers that you're interested in purchasing a house. It shows your realtor that you're prepared to buy a house and that you know the price range that you can shop in. When you speak to a lender, your bank, or your credit union, they're going to tell you how much home you can afford. And that's going to be very important before you get out there and go shopping to find the house that you love. And it should be in your price range. And if you don't have a bank or a lender or a credit union that you like or are partial to, then you can ask a real estate agent. They probably have a list of people that they know or that they've had clients that have worked with and like. So you can get recommendations from your realtor too. You're going to want to decide what are must-haves and what are things you can live without when you're kind of narrowing down your house search. Think about location, think about schools, think about sizes of homes, the resale value of a home if you don't plan on being there forever. And let's face it, things change all the time. So all of that stuff is important. You may think you're going to stay in that house forever, and then 2 years later you are going to sell it. I myself have done that personally too. So then you want to make sure that you pick a realtor that answers their phone, because that's so important. You're going to be looking for stuff online and you're going to want to go see it and you're going to want to schedule it, and that realtor is going to ring. They're not going to answer their phone. So make sure that when you're picking someone, you either know someone who's worked with them before, or you met them and you really like them and they are responsive, because that is going to help make your deal go smoothly and the transaction will have the most opportunity to close, if that makes sense. The most opportunity. It will close if your realtor answers the phone and helps you through the process. Then you're going to visit the houses. You're going to go and you're going to check them out. You're going to narrow down your search. You're going to see which items you can live without, which ones you can't, and then you're going to make your offer. And here's where I would take this stop here and I would make a whole new video. Putting an offer in and getting your offer accepted then turns into a whole nother, experience, like learning and process. So anyway, the rest of it I'll just kind of run down. You're going to make the offer. Things like the inspection is going to be contingent on inspection, appraisal, loan approval. You're going to have a certain amount of time to, I don't know if that just did that for real. Sorry. My screen just went dark. Anyway, so then you're going to schedule your home inspection. You're going to schedule the appraisal, the lender will, and then everything's going to go great. You're going to love the house. You're going to move on, and you're going to have your final walkthrough, and then you're going to go to the closing, and then you're going to close. So those are some of the things. You're going to save. You're going to make sure your credit score is in good shape. You're going to get pre-approved. You're going to decide what you want in a house. You're going to pick the realtor that answers her phone or his phone. You're going to go look at houses. You're going to make an offer. You're going to do all your inspections and have the appraisal done. You're going to have your final walkthrough, and woo, then you're going to close, and you're going to own your brand new house, and that's going to be awesome. Congratulations. If you have any other questions, comment below, and I'd love to talk to you. Okay, have a good day.